Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Steinauer. From time to time, I like to give you some tips and some ideas that I think could potentially help you with your vision. Well, today is one of those days. So we've got a cool new kind of tool that you can utilize at home, either for yourself or your kids, that I think will work really great. Now, before I go into that video, if you want to connect with us, call us at 618-288-1489 if you're local. If you're not local to us and you happen to be somewhere else in the world, you can still connect with us. Go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com. You can either fill out a questionnaire there, or if you're interested in just scheduling a consultation to meet with me about how I can help you with your vision, then click that button, schedule a consultation. Now, let's talk about this cool tool. Okay, so this is a slant board, and this one actually came from IKEA. So we love this product from IKEA. It's really awesome. And if I scan in on this picture right here, you can see this person sitting here using their computer on the slant board. You can also put your books on it, you can put papers on it, kids can draw or write, but this is what's awesome about it. If you have kids that have poor posture when they're reading or they're doing homework, and you're like, you know what, they're always slumped over top of their books, they're always like laying down like this, they're always like laying on their arm. Well, this product is going to help you out with that. What it does is it puts things up at a slant or at an angle. It automatically forces the body to kind of want to sit up away from it rather than leaning down to it. So there's kind of something really interesting about this, which is that there are fibers associated with your retina that are called postural fibers. They actually are linked from your retina to fibers that go to muscles in your back and all along your spine that help you to kind of sit in an upright position. How amazing is that? That your eyes are actually helping you have good posture. Well, that also means that your eyes could potentially be causing you some issues with your posture too. And so if you get something like this slant board, which again, we recommend something like this. This is a really cool product that we got from IKEA. And what happens is that we really recommend then that what you do is you use it for everything, like reading with your book, doing homework, drawing or writing. If you're using your iPad or your laptop, you can put it on this and sit with it on your lap or sit with it on a desk. And it's going to help you kind of automatically, based on those postural fibers that are associated with the retina, going to muscles in your back, your neck, and all along your spine to help pull you into a more upright position. So this is a great one. Not only will it help you save your back over time, but it will also help improve your vision and your visual skills. I know you love it probably just about as much as I do, and we use it for all of our patients. Now, once again, if you want to contact us, you can go to 618-288-1489. Just call us, or you can go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com and either fill out a questionnaire or click that schedule a consultation button. Now, if you like the video, we'd love it if you like it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that bell icon so that you get all notifications for our videos, because we put out cool information. And obviously, if you feel like this could be beneficial to someone, then flag them, tag them, and pass it on so they can see this video too. Thank you.